Do you remember the promoting video about Lactomass? It was 2 years ago. After 2 years we are celebrating the success of Lactomass. Lactomass is the most wanted growth promoter for our clients. Lactomass was registered with #1 in the Ministry of Agriculture, in Egypt. Lactomass showed amazing results in conversion rate, saving feed consumption, and bird health in general. Then we produced Calmere, a bronchodilator made from nature. With a wide mix of natural extracts made Calmere one of the best bronchodilators in the market. We always say that we are not producing normal products. And after 2 years of success with Lactomass and Calmere, we are making the third product. Something new and special. It will be a market leader in its field. Just days and the market becomes ours. Do you know why? Because Madison Health is unlimited.